YouTubers. Today I'm going to bring you some fun accessories that I made out of vinyl as well as fox leather wide ribbons. This does not require any sewing, guys, which I'm so excited about. Let me show you a few of them that I've done so far. This is one of them here. This is one of them as well. These are super cute, guys. Look at these. Aren't these cute? Oh my god, I'm loving it. So these, I made this out of vinyl. This is without sewing, guys, which I'm excited about because no sewing required on these projects at all. I'm going to show you how to make this one here today. This one here is really easy too as well. They're all the same, it's just different sizes, but I just end up using different accessories to decorate them, of course. This one here I made out of eyelets. I just put the eyelet, my crocodile, and just put eyelets right there to close that up. That's a closer for this one here, and I think that's super cute. So that's a route that you can go. I just want to make it easy, guys, so you don't have to go out and get a whole bunch of expensive stuff. Just Velcro, and you can get that from Dollar Tree. The eyelets you can get from any craft stores. I have my little mini journals in there and little goodies in here. So that one is very easy to do, as well as this one too. And all I did, guys, to hold this one up together as well as this one here, all I did was staple. I just staple the corners right down here. It's amazing. Like, you probably can't even see it. I don't even know if you can see. You can barely see it. So happy about that. Yeah, so, and I have my little journal in there. And look how gorgeous that came out. I put this little keychain on there too that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. And yeah, that looks so good, guys. And I use, once again, this is fox leather ribbon that I purchased also from Hobby Lobby. So I used that and I did this. And the same thing with this, the method that I'm getting ready to show you from the vinyl, I'm gonna use vinyl this time, and I'm gonna show you how to make this one here. Same method, same procedure. All I did was just enhance the measurements, that's it. And then I cut the corners to give it a little curve. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to put this together. Very easy, fun, guys, and it just comes out beautiful. If you don't want to go the eyelet route, if you don't want to use the pearls or anything, you can always use washi tapes to cover this. This is another one I made, and there's just change inside of there, guys. I just put a little change. It's just, I did a mini one just to show you guys example. These are just mini examples that you can use washi tapes to cover these the staples too, to cover them, and it's really good and it covers really well. Like, you can't hardly see anything. You wouldn't even know there's staples on there, honestly. So that's what I love about that, and it's so easy and fun. I made this one here, which I love, my favorite right here. Isn't this gorgeous? This is so beautiful. And this is made out of staples too, guys. And I left it open so you guys can see that there's staples there. See? Staple that put this whole thing together. What I'm gonna do is just cover in the inside with some more diamonds, so you won't see that. But I just want to leave it open so you guys can see that it is stapled up in there. And then it turned out to be wonderful. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. I have my little mini journal. My little mini journal in there. See, look at that. So beautiful, guys. I'm just loving this. Gorgeous. I love it. And if you guys would like to see a video on me making this as well, just comment below and let me know. The diamonds, the little beads that's on here, I purchased this from Dollar Tree as well, guys. So a lot of your products can get from Dollar Tree, except for the, of course, the eyelets. So, but yeah, Dollar Tree, I think it's these adhesive pearl wraps. You can see it, adhesive pearl wraps. Yeah, these ones I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I think I'm going to use this one here just to change it up because I already used this one here. You can't even tell there's like staples in there at all, not at all. And that's what I love about that. It covers everything. And as well as this one here, these you can get in Dollar Tree, and that's what I put around this one here. Okay, so there you go. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. I'm gonna do a video on that one there.
it's the